How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on if you're not receiving the verification code for Telegram login. Well, basically on your login page on Telegram, I'll just show you right away here. You will require to enter in your phone number, and then you'll get the confirmation code which you'll have to enter it. But what if you're not getting it at all? Now that can be due to certain reasons. It might be the server issue itself. In that case, you can use VPN and try logging in. Now if it is server has been down, you just want to wait for a couple of moments and then try logging in back again. Now you also want to make sure that the country code that you have entered selected is correct, and then your phone number that you have entered is correct as well. Now sometimes it can be the network issue. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi network and also the cellular network, and try toggling the on and off the airplane mode and then try logging in. If all of this doesn't help, then what you want to do is you want to ensure that your account is not logged in somewhere else. Now if you have your account logged in somewhere else, right? So if I have my account logged in on a separate device and I try to log in on this device, usually what Telegram does is it'll send a verification code onto your account itself. So let me show you here on the Telegram application here, chat section. By Telegram, you'll get a login code directly, so you might want to check that as well. So if all this doesn't help, it might just be an issue of the server. Just wait for a couple of moments and then you can give it a try again, which will fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.